Today, I'm checking out the rooms here inside the Mind Mansion, located off Bongkot in central Pattaya. The rental price, 10,000 baht per month, no long-term contract necessary.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, sure. And here's the second room at the side of the building. So the finishing's more or less the same. Work desk and chair. Safety deposit box. Another storage unit here. Check out the bathroom. So quite basic. Yeah. At the front of the building, a small pool. Here are the contact details, 2 telephone numbers and email address. The Mind Mansion is situated on Bongkot 61, a fairly quiet neighbourhood. Below, in the video description, I'll post the location link. A short walk to the left, Bongkot. I've mentioned this in other videos that are filmed in this district. This road, very narrow, with many cars and motorbikes passing through to access South Pattaya Road. A 5-minute walk straight ahead, third road. From this point, second road, just under a mile in distance. Bukau, a 5-minute walk. If you'd like to make a donation to help support the channel, I'd really appreciate it. In the video description, the Buy Me a Coffee link, and above on the left, the QR code link to the donation page. Also a thank you to channel members Dave Knudsen, Tor Osley Rusvik, August Rush and T2. The Mine Mansion rooms are priced at 10,000 baht per month without the need to sign a long-term lease. The deposit, 1,000 baht. Electric is charged at 8 baht per unit. Water, 200 baht per month. Room cleaning, twice a week. Access to Wi-Fi inside. And the building has a lift service. 18 months ago, when I inquired about the rooms, 8,000 baht, the low and high season rate I was quoted. A significant price increase since then, for whatever reason. Anyway, I describe both rooms as fair. The desk, chairs, dining table, bed frame and units, all made of wood. Although dated, the furniture condition more than acceptable. Inside also a TV, fridge, air conditioning unit and safety deposit box. Both balconies are very spacious and fitted with somewhat of a kitchen area with sink and electric outlets to plug in appliances. The balcony windows slightly tinted to prevent strong sunlight entering and increasing the temperature inside to a high level. Also, mosquito doors are installed. The second room I showed, the better option, with it being at the opposite side of the building and away from the busy Soi Bongkot road. Twice per week room cleaning, a big positive. The building, very well cared for by staff, clean and presentable. The amenities, front of the building, a small pool. Some downsides now. The location may not be ideal for some. Third road, a 10-minute walk on foot. I've mentioned many times, Soi Bongkot, not very safe to walk along. The wooden furniture makes the room feel dated. No comfy chair or couch for you to sit and relax. The balcony kitchen area had just the one electric outlet. You would need to use a multi-port plug if wanting to use more than one appliance, which are not exactly safe. So based on value for money, I'm going to rate them a 5.5 out of 10. Furnished in a retro way and too basic to warrant the 10,000 baht rate. In the Soi Bongkot district, there are many great value alternatives. For example, further to the right, rooms here inside the VIP house are priced significantly lower at 7,000 baht per month. I'll give you a look inside one, and we'll leave the building's location link in the video description also. Very bright in here. Queen size bed. Very soft. TV. Desk and chair. Big fridge. No safety box. Table and chairs. Air conditioning. Bathroom. So there's the balcony view. Down there, Soy Bongkot. Also down there, large car park too. So here's the room prices. Also the deposit, water and electric rates. So if you're interested in a room inside here, there's the contact details. There's a line QR code, a phone number, Facebook page and an email address. So right now I'm going to call it a day. I appreciate your watching. If there's any condo projects, apartment buildings or hotels in the city you want me to check out, just leave me in the comments. Also on my channel I have memberships available if you'd like to sign up for them. And if you could all please like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. As always, I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care.